how to back up and restore a course. Let's take a look at how you do this if you want to restore a course. Maybe you've created content in either one Moodle system or a previous marking period and you want to restore it and use the same content again. A frequent use of this procedure is when we have course content that we created in our old Moodle system and it didn't get transferred into the new system, so we want to back it up there and restore it in the new system. So I'm going to navigate to the course that I want to back up that has the good content that I want in my new course. Alright, so in this case it's the Switched on Schoolhouse Language Arts. Even though there's not a lot of content in this particular course, in our new Moodle, this isn't there at all. So this could be, all the tests, all of the other types of content that might be in a course. In this case, it's just a description and submit tests, but we're going to back up the whole course. So over here under Settings, I'm going to click on Backup. I'm going to not select the users. There may be occasions if you're a Learning Lab teacher where you want to select the users, but I kind of doubt it. So we're just going to uncheck that, click Next. We're going to back up everything else. So we're just going to click Next basically on every screen and then click Perform Backup. When the backup is finished, you'll get this message. Now the backup file is saved in the system, in the Moodle that you backed it up. In order to get it in the new system, you're going to need to download it to your computer. So I'm going to click Download, and maybe you couldn't see it, but it downloaded right over here. Alright, so that's step one, back up the file, the course. Now if you wanted to back up just a particular quiz, sorry about that. Okay, so I've gone into this English 1 course. Let's say I just want to back up this quiz is missing from a different course and I want to back it up so I can restore it. I just need to click on the quiz and then you'll notice under Settings I'm in Quiz Administration. Here I can back up just the quiz. If I'm in Quiz Administration and I see the backup, and then I will just back up the quiz, not the entire course. And then you can restore just the quiz. Alright, so next step is to go to where you want to restore it. So I'm going to go to the new Moodle site. Alright, I'm going to navigate to that course that I want to restore. It's already there. Well, we'll just pretend like it's not there. Thought I'd picked one that wasn't already there. So what you're going to do to restore a course is under Administration, instead of Backup, you'll select Restore. Then you need that file that you downloaded. So you can just, if it's still showing up at the bottom of your browser, you can just drag it up. Alright, and once it loads, you can just click Restore. Now here's the only tricky part about this. First you get this kind of summary screen that you're just going to click Continue on. The tricky part here is making the right selection on this screen, whether you're going to restore it as a new course, merge it into the course that you're currently in Moodle, or select a course that you want to merge it into. We want to do the middle option. I find it easiest to just navigate to the course first and then put the content in. You can either delete all the content in the course if there's some stuff in there you don't want, or you can merge it into the course. I'll merge it into the course just so you can see what that looks like. So you select that option, you click Continue. It's going to have X'd out enrolled users because you didn't back up enrolled users. You're just going to click Next. You're going to leave all of this alone because the course name and everything in New Moodle has already been set and we don't want to change any of that. So you just click Next and then you click Perform Restore. Now, depending on how much content is in the course, this could revolve for a little while, or this one should be pretty quick. So once it's restored, you just click continue, and that takes you right into the course. And you'll see that because we had some content, well, in there twice, actually there was no submit test, so it added that. And we had a news forum already. It added another one because that was in the course that we restored. So what I can do is just make sure I get rid of that one. And that's really it. That's how you back up and restore a course.